files. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Started recording.
Okay, chalo. So now, what are the energies possessed in this one, beta? The total energy is energy stored in the spring, the energy because of the rotation, and the energy because of the translatory. So we are having three energies in this body. One is energy in the spring, one is energy due to the rotation, and another one is energy due to the translatory motion part of it. So total energy, if I am writing here, energy of your system will be equal to E is equals to potential energy of your spring, potential energy of your spring, plus of your kinetic energy due to the rotation, plus kinetic energy due to your
Translate.
translatory motion. Due to your translatory motion. Now, total energy of the spring will be equal to how much, beta? Half into K into your x square, plus rotation will be equal to how much, beta? Half into I into your omega square, plus translation will be equal to half into M into your V
V
square.
square. Yes, sir.
You know
Yes.
that in the SHM, energy will always remain for me constant, isn't it? In SHM, E is equals to your constant. E constant aitundante dE by dt will be equal to how much, beta? 0, because differentiation of any constant is always how much for
Zero.
me? 0.
Zero.
So if I'm differentiating this one, beta, in this one, if I'm differentiating, K is your out. Differentiation of x square is nothing but chain rule. So that will be equal to your x ni body discochese right now. X square ni mottani x anko. So this will be equal to how much for me? This will be equal to K into your x into this one will become for me dx by your dt by the chain rule. Plus in this one, half of your I omega, that is nothing but of your half of your I omega law. If I'm differentiating this one, so this will become for me your omega. Differentiation of your omega square will be equal to 2 omega into d. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So that is the reason I'll be getting right now in this one moment of inertia of this body as it is I omega into your d omega by your dt. Differentiation of omega square by chain rule, beta, that will become how much for me? Your 2 omega partition. ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే, half of your kx square la k into your x la, this will become for me 2x kabatti, so 2 gets cancelled. That is the reason this half has been cancelled. So it is half x half, that is kx into dx by dt plus I into omega into d omega by your dt, plus again in this one m is your out. Differentiation of v square is nothing but 2v into dv by dt. 2 gets cancelled, so this will become for me v into your dv by your dt will be equal to 0 by the chain rule.
Yes.
Okay, na? Now this will become for me k into your x, dx by dt is nothing but velocity plus half into your I into omega. D omega by dt is nothing but equal to how much, beta? Can you tell me? D omega by dt is nothing but what? Angular acceleration, that is nothing but alpha, plus m into v. dv by dt is nothing but linear acceleration, that is nothing but of your a, that will be equal to your 0, isn't it? Now condition for rolling, if I am writing condition for rolling, condition for your rolling, what is the condition? V is equals to r omega and a must be equal to your r into your alpha, and moment of inertia of this body is how much, better? Disk kabatti m into r square by 2 will be the moment of your inertia. So substitute this all values in this one, better. See how much I'll be getting. So this will be equal to your k into x into v plus moment of inertia is how much for me? M into r square divided by 2 into your omega, as it is I can write for the given condition. So that will be equal to your omega. Now I can write here everything I'll write in terms of your v, beta. So omega can be written as of your how much for me? V by r. This will become for me v by r into your alpha. Alpha value I can write as of your a by your r. Can I write like this? This omega value from here v by r, alpha value a by r.
Yes.
Isn't it? So plus m into v into your a is equals to 0. R into r square kabatti er square er will get cancelled. So this will be equal to kx into v plus this one is half into m into v into your a plus of your m into v into your a is equals to 0. So this will be equal to k into your x into your v plus this will be equal to how much, beta? MVA plus 1, half plus 1, this will become how much for me, beta? 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 m into v into your a, that will be equal to 0. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So kx is equals to, this is how much I'm getting right now. K into your X into your V is equals to half into M into V into your A. So if I take this term here on this side, this will become for me Kx into V will be equal to minus of your 3 by 2 MV into your A. Is it
Yes, sir.
clear? So this one, anything is getting cancelled, beta. This V and this V are getting cancelled,
Yes.
isn't it? So Kx is equals to how much I got right now from this one? K into your X will be equal to your minus of your 3 by 2 M into your A. Okay, that
Yes.
means acceleration is how much better? A is equals to if I'm writing, this will become for me minus of 2k into your x divided by your 3 into your m. So that means I can write this one as something like this. A is equals to minus of your 2 by 3 into your k by your m. This is a total constant into your x. Compare with the standard equation better. Compare with what? A is equals to minus of omega square into x. So omega value, how much I'm getting right now? Omega square is equals to 2 by 3 into your k by your m. That means omega value is equals to under root of your 2 into k by your 3 into your m. Once I know the value of omega, I can calculate time period gada. So t is equals to 2 pi by your omega kabatti. This will become for me 2 pi under root of your 3 into your m divided by 2 into your p. So that will be the time period.
Yes.
So time period will be t is equals to 2 pi under root of your 3 into your m divided by 2 into your k. Is it okay with you? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
time period. Time period t is equals to 2 pi under root of your 3m by your 2k. You need to just take care of your chain rule differentiation but ikkada. So differentiation of your x square is nothing but equal to, this is a basic mathematics I'll write here if you are confused. If y is equals to your u to the power of n, u is a function on the then dy by your dx will be equal to n into your u n minus 1 into your du by dx రాస్తాం. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు చూడు ఇక్కడ ఏముంది x స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా, ఉన్నది కదా. x స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏం రాస్తాం మనం? ఇది x ది స్క్వేర్ కాబట్టి 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 into d. u వాల్యూ ఏముంది రైట్ నౌ ఫర్ మీ? ఇది మొత్తం x అనుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ x square by your 2x. That will be equal to your dx by your dx part. That means with respect to time తీసుకుంటున్నాం dy by dt. So this will be equal to how much for me? Dx by your dt. So 2 into x to the power of 2 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 2 కాబట్టి that is the reason I'm getting right now here 2x. So ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తాం మనం? half of your k out. Differentiation of x square is nothing but equal to 2x into dx by your dt. So 2 gets cancelled. That is the reason I'll be getting here k into your x. Okay, na? Oh, no, this is dx by dt. In the same way, differentiation of this one. You simplify it, you will get the answer for the given.
Yes.
Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that was about your what do you call that one? Energy method, time period partition, both by the force method and as well as of your energy method partition. So let us try to go for the next one. Is nothing but of your better SHM in your fluids. Is that in the college?
Yes, sir.
SHM in fluids.
Different examples like pole.
Any derive cheshara?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one. Oscillation of a floating body beta. Oscillation of a floating body. Oscillation of a floating body. Any body which is been floating. What is the force which is being responsible for a body to float beta? Buoyancy.
Yes,
like say
sir.
for example, this is your water. Okay, this is your water and body is floating in the water. This is your water. Body is floating. And like say for example, any cylindrical body on the like this type of a cylindrical body is being floating in the water. It's been floating in the water. So this is the body which is been floating in the water. The height of this one is say for example h. This one is nothing but equal to h. And the part which is inside the water is from here to here. This one is say for example x naught. Rho naught is nothing but equal to your density of fluid. This is your density of your fluid. Okay. Now this is in the equilibrium position. Now what is our basic rule to calculate the SHM beta? ఏం చేయాలి? SHM చేయాలంటే కొంచెం పుష్ ఇవ్వాలా దీనికి?
Yes, sir.
isn't it? You need to give a small push and leave, then only it will
start
oscillate.
oscillating. Yes, sir.
Oscillating. That means when you're giving a push means this body has been slightly going into the water, kada?
Yes, sir.
Like this. This is a small distance. That means the small distance is how much at that time? X.
Yes, sir.
So the total distance will become how much for me? X plus of your X naught or X naught
Yes,
plus
sir.
X, anything.
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada? At that time, buoyancy force is acting in which direction? Upward.
Good.
So upthrust is acting because of the weight. Weight of this body is acting in which direction, beta? Weight of this body is acting in the downward direction. That is nothing but equal to your mg. Okay. So in equilibrium condition, beta, in equilibrium, if I'm writing, in equilibrium, before giving push, in equilibrium, weight of the block will be equal to buoyancy force. Kada? That means mg will be equal to your upthrust. Antena? So
Yes,
that will
sir.
be equal to upthrust will be equal to mass will be equal to volume into density. Volume is equals to A into your X naught. This will be density, that is nothing but rho naught into G. So X naught value anta. So this will be written in terms of your this G and this G will get cancelled. So X naught will be equal to the X naught will be equal to this one is nothing but of your M divided by A into your rho naught. So this will be your initial position of the cylinder in the water in equilibrium position. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Weight will be equal to upthrust beta. Upthrust ante m into g. Mass of the liquid in the water kabatti mass is equals to volume into density. Volume is equals to area into length into rho naught. So area is A, length
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but of your x naught, rho naught into g. G gets cancelled. So x naught value is how much for me? M by
M by
A into
A
your
into
rho naught part
rho
of
naught.
relation. Now what we need to do beta? Displace the body slightly. Now what will we do? Now displace the body downwards. Then only it will make an SHM kada?
Yes, sir.
Downwards by a small distance x. By a small displacement. By a small displacement. Say for example x. So at that time, what will be the net forces? Can you tell me better? Weight of the body is acting in the downward direction. Buoyant
Yes,
force
sir.
is acting in the upward direction. So net force will be equal to how much beta? F net will be equal to your how much right now? As the body is moving in the downward direction. So this will be your mg minus of your F upthrust, that is nothing but changing, will be equal to your F net. Will be equal to your F net. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Chudu, malasa chusko. Right now, if I'm writing the relation, F will be equal to your how much? F will be equal to your F net will be equal to minus, if I'm taking here, this will become for me F upthrust minus of your mg. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Chusko sir, is that step clear? F net is equals to this side is question kabatti minus bracket open
Yes,
cheseste,
sir.
this will
Yes.
become for me how much? For me plus. Again, I'll be getting the same relation,
Plus.
isn't it?
Yes,
For the
sir.
given condition, isn't it? So
Yes,
that will
sir.
be equal to your minus. This will be upthrust will be equal to how much beta? Upthrust force will be equal to A into net displacement will be your x plus of your x naught rho naught into G divided by your M into your G. Ona? That means that will be equal to. Is allowed in the F thrust will be equal to mass into mg. Mass is equals to volume into density. Volume is equals to
Okay,
area
sir.
into
Yes, sir.
length. Length, the total length is right
Length.
now how much
Yes,
for me?
sir.
X plus x naught into rho naught
X
into
plus
your
X.
g
Yes.
part of relation. You just
G.
multiply with this one. So it is minus of your a into your x rho naught into your g. A x rho naught into your g part of relation plus next one is nothing but of your a into your x naught rho naught into g minus of your em into your g. So this will become how much for me? F thrust will be equal to how much? Net force will be equal to. You రెండు same కదా? mg is equals to this value కదా?
Yes,
చూడు
sir.
ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో ఏం రాశాం చూడు? mg is equals to this mg is
Yes, sir.
equals to how much? A into x naught rho naught into g. ఈ
Yes,
రెండింటిని
sir.
క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చా నేను? If these are getting cancelled,
Yes, sir.
so f will be equal to how much I'm getting right now? That will be equal to minus of your a
Minus
into x
AX
into rho naught into your g.
rho naught to G.
F will be equal to how much for me? Mass into acceleration, that is minus of a into x into rho naught into your g. So from this one I can write
Yes.
acceleration better. Acceleration a is equals to minus of your a into x into rho naught into g divided by your m. All the constants you take on one side better. So A is equals to, this one is minus, A is a constant, rho naught is a constant, G is a constant, mass is also your constant. So this one into your, this is nothing but of your X. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Now compare with the standard equation of accession beta. Compare with A is equals to minus of omega square into X. That means omega square will be equal to how much beta? A into rho naught into G divided by your M. That means omega will be equal to how much for me? Under root of your A into rho naught into G divided by your
Divided
M.
by
This is the value of your omega. Once I know the value of omega, I can calculate the time period. Kada? So time period
Yes, sir.
formula is T is equals to 2 pi by your omega. That means that will become for me 2 pi. This is under root of, this will become for me how much better? This will become for me your M by your A into your rho naught into your G. So that will be the time period. Right, Chatla?
Yes, sir.
So time period of the blob which is been oscillating in the water is T is equals to 2 pi under root of your M by your A into rho naught into G. Okay, this is
Yes,
the
sir.
time period. Can I write the mass in terms of height beta totally? So mass is equal to how much for me? Volume into density kada? Mass is equals to volume into your density. Volume
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to what? Area into height h into rho. Second, right? Mass is equals to this one. So time period will become for me T is equals to 2 pi under root of your M value is equals to A into h into rho divided by A into rho naught into your G. This A and this A will get cancelled. So the time period in terms of the height of the bob or height of that body can be represented by the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of your h into your rho divided by rho naught into your G. So this will be your time period. So time period, you can directly remember the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of h into rho divided by rho naught into G. What is the rho beta? Rho is your density of body.
Yes, sir.
Density of your body, and rho naught is the density of water. G is acceleration due to gravity, and h is nothing but what beta? Height of your floating body. H is nothing but of your height of your floating body. Is it clear? The total
Yes,
height
sir.
ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాం. Total height మనం h తీసుకున్నాం కదా.
Yes, sir.
H is nothing but of your height of your floating body. Whatever the floating body you are taking, that will be your height part.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So this is the way how do you represent the oscillation of the fluid liquid particle relation. So when a liquid or when a body has been floating in the water, the time period has been calculated by the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of h into rho divided by your rho naught into your G particle relation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? మీరు చాలా అప్లికేషన్ చేసి ఉంటారు కదా క్లాస్ లో కూడా.
Yes, sir. అంటే వేరే వేరే షేప్స్ తోటి అవి కూడా చేస్తాం.
Different bodies కూడా తీసుకుని
Yes,
చేసి
sir.
ఉంటారు.
Different bodies. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a basic concept we need to apply it better right now. I hope you got rough idea.
Yes, sir.
V-shaped tube ఉంటుంది, U-shaped tube ఉంటుంది. So we are having lot number of your tubes conditions better. That also I'll try to tell you, but this is a basic knowledge you need to remember when you're doing the problems related to your oscillation in your fluids particle relation. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Next one is about your physical pendulum better or compound pendulum. Formula గుర్తుందా?
Of sir, pendulum.
Physical pendulum or the compound pendulum formula. What do you mean by physical pendulum better? Can you tell me first? A rigid body.
Yes.
Like say if you take a pen like a rod and fix it into the one end, hold it in your one hand and try to make it oscillate. That is called as of a physical pendulum.
Yes, sir.
ఒక రాడ్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో, రాడ్ తీసుకొని ఒక ఎండ్ కాడ పట్టుకొని దాన్ని if you make to and fro motion, that will be called as of your physical pendulum or
Yes.
compound pendulum. I'm not deriving the derivation, but it is of not use also for the board exams. You can directly remember the application for your numericals better. So next one is about your physical pendulum. Next one is about your physical pendulum, or we can say this one is also your compound pendulum. Also your compound pendulum. Okay, and a rigid
Yes.
body which has been oscillating is called as of your physical pendulum. This one is also called as of your compound pendulum. Okay, like say for example, this is some rigid body. Okay, in this rigid body, what we need to understand is from where, say for example, this is a point P where it has been fixed. We need to take this point from the center of mass of this body. This is
Yes,
center
sir.
of mass of this body, that is nothing but C, and this is the distance between this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, So equilibrium of the center of mass will always lies vertically below the point of suspension, beta.
Yes.
This is a point of suspension. P is your point of suspension. Point of your suspension. Okay.
Yes.
For this one, time period is given by the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of your moment of inertia at the point of suspension divided by your mg into your d. What is d, beta?
Sir, it's
D is the distance between
yes.
point of suspension and the center of
Center.
mass.
Yes.
Don't know, try to remember that one.
Yes.
So D is the distance between the point of
Point of
suspension
suspension,
and the
center of
center of mass particulation. Now, how do you write the moment of inertia of the point P, beta? Moment of inertia of the point P is by your parallel axis theorem. I is equals to your ICM plus of your M into your D square. M into your D square. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So I can write this relation. I can simplify this one. This is the basic formula you need to remember. So time period of any physical pendulum is given by the formula T is equals to 2 pi under root of your IP divided by mg into your d part of relation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me give you one small example. We'll get a clarity in this one, beta. Take one small problem. Find the time period. Find the time period of a uniform rod of a uniform rod of mass m and length L which is pivoted. What do you mean by pivoted? Fixed.
Yes.
Pivoted at one of its ends. Okay, like this. This is your rod. ఒకవేళ మీటింగ్ ఎండ్ అయిపోతే మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అయిపోయినాను.
Okay, sir.
This is a point P. This is the center of mass C, and this is the total length of this one. This is nothing but of your L. Now read the question. Find the time period of a uniform rod of mass M and length L pivoted at one of its ends part of relation. ఇది physical pendulum అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి టైం పీరియడ్ ఎంత అన్న T is equals to 2 pi under root of your moment of inertia at the point of suspension divided by your mg into your d.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the d value? Can you tell me, beta?
Sir,
From
it's
here
the
to here,
distance.
this
Yes, sir.
ఎంత అవుతుంది? Center of mass
L
కదా.
by 2.
L కి half. This is your L by 2.
Yes, sir.
So distance is your L by 2. Isn't it? Moment of
Yes.
inertia at a point P, that will be equal to moment of inertia at the center of mass plus of your m into your d square.
Yes.
Moment of inertia for the rod about one end passing through this one will be equal to how much, beta? M into L square divided by 12. అంతే కదా, for thin rod.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For thin rod, the moment of inertia passing through center of mass is how much for me? M into L square divided by 12 plus of your m into d. D value is how much, beta? L by 2. This one is your L by 2 whole square. And ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? M into your L square divided by 12 plus this one is M into L square divided by your 4.
Yes, sir.
అవునా కదా? ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడు మొత్తం? ML square common 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4.
Sir, 3 ml square plus ml square by 12, sir.
ఎంత అవుతుంది?
4 ml square by 12, sir. 4 ones are 3, sir. Sir, ml square by 3.
ML square by 3 అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
M into L square divided by your 3. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the moment of inertia at a point. Now you can calculate the time period. T is equals to 2 pi under root of your moment of inertia at a point P ఎంత వచ్చింది? M into L square divided by 3 divided by this one is your M into G into D value is how much for me? L by 2. Ona? Anything
Yes,
is getting cancelled in this one? This M and this M will get cancelled. This square and this L will also get cancelled. That means that will become for me 2 pi under root of your, this 2 will go up. So this will become for me 2 into your L divided by 3 into G. So that will be the time period. Vachinda?
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా ఈ 2
Yes,
L
sir.
by 2 లో ఈ 2 పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఈ 3 కిందికి
3 will
వచ్చేస్తుంది
come down.
సో
Yes,
దట్
sir.
give me the answer for that.
Yes,
I hope you
sir.
got rough idea how to do such type of a problems.
Yes, sir.
Got it better?
Yes, sir.
ఇంకో
Sir,
ప్రాబ్లం
once can you
చేసుకుందాం
scroll
ఇలాంటిది
up, sir? ఒక్కసారి. Sir, down, sir. Okay, yes, sir.
నువ్వు రికార్డ్ చేసుకుంటున్నావా ఐ మీన్ టు సే రాస్తున్నావా లేకపోతే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటున్నావా
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఏం తీసుకుంటలేదు సార్, రాస్తున్నా సార్.
రాస్తున్నావా ఓకేనా
ఎస్ సార్, ఇది ఉట్టిగా అంటే చూద్దాం అనేసి.
ఓకే ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఇంకోటి చేయండి నువ్వు ట్రై చేయి ఇప్పుడు ఇది వస్తుందో లేదో చూద్దాం ఒకసారి ఫైండ్ ద టైం పీరియడ్ find the time period of a disk find the time period of a disk suspended from the rim stop the mass and radius of disk are m and r respectively. So first try to read the question carefully and see what you are able to understand from this one. He is asking us to calculate what with the time period of a disk. అంటే మన దగ్గర ఒక డిస్క్ ఉంది ఇట్లా సో దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ డిస్క్ ఇది డిస్క్ నానా disk means the center part it will be equal to how much for me at the center it is completely filled with your mass like this అంతే కదా
yes
now what is telling in the problem you see what is telling in the problem find the time period of this one from that rim the mass of this one is given as of your this is your radius r and mass of this one is of your m the mass of the mass and the radius of the disk are m and r find the time period of it is suspended from the rim అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో ఒక నేల్ పెట్టాము అవును కదా దీనికి ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్ చేసింది ఇట్లా వాచ్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ ఏ వాచ్ హ్యాంగింగ్ ఈ పాయింట్ ని వాచ్ ని పెట్టుకున్నాం అనుకో పెద్ద వాచ్ ని సో దిట్ విల్ బి ఆసిలేటింగ్ లైక్ టు అండ్ ఫ్రో దిస్ ఇస్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ సస్పెన్షన్ ఇది పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ సస్పెన్షన్ దీనిది సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత అవుతుంది అన్న ఆర్ రేడియస్ కదా సెంటర్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ సస్పెన్షన్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ రేడియస్ ఓన్లీ అంటే d will be equal to how much here r moment of inertia will be equal to how much better moment of inertia at the point of suspension will be equal to how much for me I is equals to your ICM plus of your m into your r square what is the moment of inertia of a disk passing through the center beta ఇంతకు ముందు రాసుకున్నాం మనం m into r square divided by 2 energy method లో plus of your m into r square 1 plus 1 by 2 is how much for me 3 by 2 so it is 3mr square divided by 2 so this is the moment of inertia at a point p then time period enta t is equals to 2 pi under root of what is the formula beta moment of inertia at a point p divided by mg into your d okay so that is equals to 2 pi under root of your this one is your 3 into mr square divided by 2 into this one is m into g into d value is equals to how much for me r so e square er వెళ్ళిపోతుంది em వెళ్ళిపోతుంది so ultimately I am getting the time period as what beta t is equals to your 2 pi under root of this will become for me how much 3r divided by your 2 into your g so this will be your time period
yes sir.
Is it clear
yes sir.
okay next one to do two body oscillators two body oscillations or oscillators, you can say. I'm not deriving the derivation, but it is also of no use for you. Whenever two bodies are being connected by the spring like this is your M1 ankundam, and this is connected by your spring, and this is connected to your another block of mass of your M2. Both of them are connected like this. Okay, both
Yes.
of them are connected by your spring of a spring constant K. So they will be oscillating to and fro motion, beta, both of them.
Yes, sir.
So whenever two bodies are connected by a spring, the time period of this one is calculated by the formula T is equals to this is your 2 pi under root of your T is equals to 2 pi under root of your mu by your K. Mu is known as of your reduced mass. Mu is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but what? Reduced
Reduced.
mass. Value of mu ఎంత అన్న already చేసింటావు. Mu will be equal to your m1 into your m2 divided by m1 plus of your m2.
Yes.
Okay, so that will
Yes,
be
sir.
the answer. So the time period of this one is T is equals to your 2 pi under root of your mu by your K part of relation. This is the concept of your reduced mass part of relation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me give you some examples. Okay, if I give you something like this is a ground, and here there is a block of mass M, and it is connected to an spring, and there is another block of your mass M. Then time period చెప్పు time period is T is equals to ఎంత వస్తుంది? T is equal to how much better? 2 pi under root of your mu by your K. Then spring constant K. Mu value ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి దీనికి? Mu is equals to m1 into m2 అంటే m into m, that is m square divided by this is nothing but 2m. M square will get cancelled, so this will become for me m by 2. So time period will become for me how much better? 2 pi under root of your mu value is m by your 2 into k. This will be the answer. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give you one more example for you. Example number 2 చూడు. దీనికి ఆన్సర్ ట్రై చేయను ఒకసారి. This one is your block here M, and here also there is one more block here right now. Okay, this one is also your M. Okay, then 2M this one. This one is your 2M, and here it is connected by one spring like this, and here it is connected by one spring like this. Then spring constant to 2k, then spring constant వచ్చేసి k. So time period is equals to how much for this one? ముందు springs ని simplify చేయి. Both the springs are in which combination beta? They are kept one above the other. So
Yes.
springs are in the parallel combination.
Yes, sir.
So springs
3K.
are in your parallel combination. One above the other ante combination. Parallel combination ఎలా రాస్తాం నాన్న? K
K plus
equivalent will be equal to your K1 plus
plus
of
K.
your K2.
2K
K1
plus
ఎంత
K.
ఉంది? 2K. Another one is nothing but K. Ante
3K.
this will become for me 3K. Reduced mass ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు దీనికి? Reduced mass is mu is equals to this one is your 2m into your em divided by your 2m plus
Plus
of
M.
your m. It means
Yes.
this one is your 2m square divided by your 3
3.
into your m. This m square will get cancelled, so that is your
2 by
2m
3.
by your 3 is reduced mass.
Yes, sir.
So what is the time period for this one? T is
2
equals
pi
to your 2
into-
pi under root of your, this will become how much for me?
State, sir, 2m by
Yeah, 2m by your
3K.
3 into k effective. K effective is nothing but 3k.
3K.
And the answer will become for me how much? 2 pi under root of your,
2m
this one is
by
2m
9K.
divided by 9.
Yes.
That is your answer.
Yes.
వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir. వచ్చింది సార్.
ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్ చేసుకుంటావు కదా?
Yes, sir.
ఇంకెంత టైం ఉందన్న రికార్డింగ్?
సార్ ఇంకా రాలేదు సార్ యాక్చువల్గా.
Okay. This one is your
So
3.
today it is until there is no this thing. No
లిమిటా?
limit is not there.
వై? నా దగ్గర ఉండే ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్ నేను క్లాస్ తీసుకున్నాను కదా 5 o'clock, 5:40కి ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది.
ఏమో సార్, ఎందుకంటే నార్మల్గా లైక్ ఫుల్ స్క్రీన్ కాకుండా నార్మల్గా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇట్ విల్ బి జూమ్ 40 minutes మీటింగ్ అని ఉంటుంది సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ జూమ్ మీటింగ్ అని ఉంది
అర్థం కాలే నాకు
సార్. అంటే నార్మల్లీ వెన్ యూ ఓపెన్ ద మీటింగ్ రైట్ సార్, అప్పుడు టాప్లో జూమ్ మీటింగ్ 40 minutes అని వస్తుంది సార్, అంటే రాసి వస్తుంది అక్కడ. బట్ నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ రిటర్న్ as జూమ్ మీటింగ్, మీన్స్ అంటే దర్ ఇస్ నో టైం లిమిట్.
ఓకే,
Yes.
ఎందుకు మరి
Yes.
ఇంకో డయాగ్రామ్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి. See this diagram. ఇక్కడ బ్లాక్ ఉంది అనుకున్నాను. దిస్ ఈస్ ఎ బ్లాక్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఎం. ఇంకో బ్లాక్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ అనదర్ బ్లాక్ ఆఫ్ మాస్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎం. రెండు కూడా సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి.
Yes.
These two are connected by your spring like this. These two are also connected by the spring like this. Okay.
Yes.
Then spring constant వచ్చేసి 2k. Then spring constant వచ్చేసి k. Okay. Now
Yes.
time period will be equal to how much for this?
Sir, here we have to చెప్తావా? Try
చేస్తావా?
consider means we have to consider the springs as parallel only or series.
ఎలా అయితే చెప్పు సార్, అజ్యూమ్ చేయి.
Sir, means the other two ends are also connected in series only, right, sir?
ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఉంది కదా, ఇది కూడా
Yes,
ఈ
sir.
రెండింటి మధ్యలో ఉంది.
Yes, sir.
దే ఆర్ బీన్ ఇన్
Okay,
బిట్వీన్
okay.
ఓన్లీ కదా, వన్ అబౌవ్ ది
Parallel.
అదర్.
Yes, sir. Parallel.
ప్యారలల్ కాంబినేషన్.
Yes,
సో
sir.
k effective ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు?
3K.
k effective
2K
will
plus
become
2K.
how much for me?
2K
2k
plus
plus of k. ఇది కూడా 2k తీసుకోలేకపోతే ఇది బెటర్. ఇంకా ఇంతకు ముందు ఆల్రెడీ k
Okay.
తీసుకున్నాం కదా. సో
Yes.
దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ 2k plus of your 2k. సో దట్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్ ఫర్
4K.
మీ? యువర్ 4k.
Yes.
రెడ్యూస్ మాస్ ఎంత అవుతుంది అన్న? mu is equals to what is the reduced mass here?
M square by 2M.
Yeah, so it is m square divided by 2 into your m. అంటే ఇది స్క్వేర్ వెళ్ళిపోతే this will be equal to how much for me?
M by
m by 2.
Yes,
సో
sir.
టైం పీరియడ్ ఎంత? టైం పీరియడ్ ఫార్మ్ లో వచ్చేసి t is equals to your 2 pi under root of your, this one is of your mu. Mu value is m by 2 into k. K value is 4
4K.
into k. What was the 8? అంటే the
8K.
answer is 2 pi under root of your m by your 8k.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
పక్కా?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఇచ్చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ. ఫోర్త్ వన్ చూడు. There is a trolley. This is your ground. This is your trolley. And here this is fixed. And here there is a spring constant which is connected to your block of mass of your M. Mass of trolley is capital M, and this one is of your K. And this is your smooth surface on which the body has been moving. The road, whatever we are taking, is nothing but of your smooth. Now, this small m is kept on your another body, which is of mass of how much for me? Capital M. So what will be the reduced mass beta? Weight of the block of mass M is on the mass of capital M, and which is not affected by any horizontal motion. Kada?
Yes.
This is not affected by any horizontal motion for the given condition. That means right now reduced mass for this one will become for me how much beta? Small m into capital M divided by your capital M plus of your small m. Anything fine, basically.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So
Yes.
time period will become for me how much? Spring constant already is given for me t. So t is equals to 2 pi under root of your. So it is mu. Mu value is nothing but capital M small m divided by this one is capital M plus of your small m into your k. So this
K.
will be the time period.
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Such type of questions also you need to do it with the same condition.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, can you
So I
give
hope
some
you.
other value?
Yes, beta.
Sir, so any other value also, if it comes, means we can directly write it like
Yeah,
this
directly
only, sir.
I can use this shortcut formula. Like in the
Yes.
mass he has given me directly, like say this is your 2m and this one is say like 4, and this is 2 and this is 3. I can directly use this formula and get the answer for this.
Sir, but then we can only like multiply the numbers and this will remain
Yeah,
like
multiply
that
the
only,
numbers
right,
and get the answer. That's it.
sir? Means these will remain same, right, sir? Means for example in the
Yeah.
numerator.
These are the direct formulas which will always be remaining same for this one. These are the standard relations.
Yes. Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, what I'm doing is you're sending the notes, right, sir? So actually, I'm taking a printout of it, sir.
బాగానే వస్తుందా?
Yes, sir. మంచిగా వస్తుంది, sir. Means I'm again
అవునా?
converting it into like a proper document and then print out చేస్తున్నా.
అవునా? ఓకే.
Yes.
ఒక కాపీ ఉంటే నాకు చూపెట్టు ఒకసారి ఎట్లా ఉందో
Okay, sir.
తర్వాత.
Yes.
తర్వాత ఏముంటే సార్ పంపించు. ఓకేనా? అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఇప్పుడు వరకు అయిపోయిన టాపిక్స్‌లా నీకేదైనా వీక్ టాపిక్స్ ఉంటే నాకొకసారి చెప్పు నాన్న. మార్నింగ్ పూట ఎప్పుడైనా టాపిక్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఐ విల్ ఇంటిమేట్ యూ.
Okay, sir.
Now, maybe I'm right now today I just completed with motion and gravity some problems better. Quadratic equations పైన ఎలా రావాలని ఈ రోజు నేను చూపిస్తాను చూడు. Today what I did is this assignments I have done today. Junior kinematics. This is the thing which I did today. Vectors and start అయింది. Today with all the what do you call that one, quadratic equations, I did the problems when the body has
Okay.
been dropped, like
Yes.
stone is been dropped to the form, and when you get in a quadratic equation, how do you solve it, a conditions అనేది ఇది కూడా illustration recording కూడా నేను ఆల్రెడీ అప్లోడ్ చేశాను.
Yes.
I can send you this notes also already, నాకు ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. బట్ స్టిల్ సెకండ్ టైం రివిజన్ అయిపోతుంది. ర్యాండమ్ గా కూడా ఒకసారి నువ్వు వీడియో చేస్తుంటే కూడా నీకు నోట్స్ కావాలంటే కూడా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఈ నోట్స్ కూడా పెడతాను నీకు, సరే చూసేసుకో సరిపోతుంది.
Okay, sir.
ఓకేనా?
Yes.
కానీ ఎస్హెచ్ఎం ఇంకా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయాలన్న అదే పెద్ద కండిషన్స్ బేసికల్లీ ఫర్ వి నీడ్ టు డూ లాట్
Yes.
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విత్ ద దిస్ వన్. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
మెటీరియల్ ఒకవేళ ముందుంటే మీ కాలేజ్ మెటీరియల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, సాల్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అన్ని అయిపోగొట్టు. దేర్ ఆర్ గుడ్ సాల్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇన్ దట్ వన్ బెటా. సో ప్లీజ్
Yes,
ట్రై టు
sir.
కంప్లీట్ ఆల్ ది సాల్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ వన్స్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఇన్ టు దట్ వన్ ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో.
Okay, sir.
ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow most probably if it is possible I'll start with your damped oscillations.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So ఇది క్లాస్ కదా, ఈ క్లాస్. So I hope you got a rough idea how to do the problems related to your coupled oscillators and as well as of your physical pendulums. For
Yes,
physical
sir.
pendulums, what is the time period formula beta? T is equal to 2 pi under root of your IP by mg into d.
GD.
మెటీరియల్ లో కూడా కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, అవి కూడా తీసొస్తారు చేయి మెటీరియల్ లో. అండ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి ఫిజికల్ పెండలం లో, అవి కూడా ఒకసారి చేయి బేసికల్ గా. అండ్ దిస్ వన్ is about your oscillators beta. When two body oscillators, when two blocks have been connected by one single spring, the time period is calculated by the formula T is equal to 2 pi under root of your mu by your k, where mu is known as reduced mass, and that reduced mass formula is mu is equals to your m1 into your m2 divided by your m1 plus of your m2 part definition. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
దీనిపైన టార్క్ అప్లికేషన్స్ కూడా కొన్ని మంచి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. లెట్ మీ చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్. టైం ఉంది కదా మన దగ్గర?
Yes, sir.
క్లాసెస్ ఎప్పటి నుండి నీకు? మార్నింగ్
8 o'clock నుంచి, sir.
8 నుంచేనా? Let me give you one example for this one. Find time period. This is a given diagram. Here is somewhere a block of mass of your m. This is some point, and here there is a ceiling like this. Okay, one spring is connected to this one like this, and another spring is connected to this one like this, and one more spring is connected to this one like this, and one more spring is connected to like this. Okay, spring constant of everything is k. This one is k, this one is k, and this one is also your k part deflation. I need to calculate the time period for the given condition. Student,
Sir, so
this upper two springs are in which combination beta? Like say if you take this point and pull it in the upward direction, these two will come parallel to each other beta?
yes, sir. Parallel.
And these two will also come parallel to each other?
Yes, sir. But
Avuna
these
kada?
two again
Then
will come in series, sir.
yeah, very good. So the above two will be in the parallel combination kabatti, that will become for me one effective. This body will become in the center. Again there will be one more spring, and this is connected to the block of mass of your m. Idi itla ayipotundi basically.
Yes, sir.
Idi enta avutundi cheppu? Parallel kabatti this will become for me 2k, and this will become for me 2k. These two are in which combination beta?
సిరీస్ సార్. సో
సిరీస్
1/2.
సో సిరీస్ అంటే k ఈక్వివాలెంట్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? k ఈక్వివాలెంట్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు యువర్ 2k into your 2k divided by your 2k plus of your 2k. అంటే this will be 4 into k square divided by 2 2s are 4, 2 plus 2. This is also your 4 into your k. అంతేనా? This 4, this k will get cancelled. అది ఎంత అవుతుంది? k.
Yes, sir.
k effective will be equal to k కాబట్టి టైం పీరియడ్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? t is equals to 2 pi under root of your m by k effective. K effective value is k only. So this is only the answer for this one directly.
Yes, sir.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So there is a basic conditions you need to do for that one. So when the blocks have been connected for the given time period, how do you calculate the given conditions? Okay.
Yes.
And one more problem, let me give you. Superposition of SHM అయిపోయిందా?
Yes, sir.
Superposition of an SHM class la.
Yes, sir.
I'll send you some assignments better. You try to do it out from that one. I think condition let on the.
Yes.
Okay na?
Yes.
I'll send assignments now. Middle problems చేయనా? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో ఆన్ ద వాట్సాప్. ఐ హెల్ప్ యూ అవుట్ విత్ దట్ వన్. ఏదైనా రాకపోతే ట్రై టు డూ దట్. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే చలో బేటా. బాయ్.
Thank you, sir.
ఎండ్ చేస్తాను.
Yes, sir.